Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm for February. So if you are interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, no, I'm not doing a morning girl look. I did a quick, easy morning girl look on my TikTok, so if you want to check that out, go to my TikTok. You can see that if you want to see this look, but it's fast and easy and quick. So this is my box for February. So I'm gonna start my videos again of my Boxycharm subscriptions. Last video I said I'm going to start my videos again. I had a rough time during Christmas and New Year, and then after that I got COVID. So I've been having COVID. So for the last 3 weeks I haven't done anything. So I'm like, oh, after Christmas, the holidays, and I get COVID, I'm like, oh my God. So, but I'm going back, I'm back. So this is my Boxycharm for February, and you can see the hearts and the roses, diamonds. Be my glam in time. That's what it says. And I've been having this box. I have not opened it. I also have all the past boxes that I did not open. They're all stacked up somewhere. So, and my Ipsy also. I might do like one big haul of all the boxes that I have. Y'all interested in that? Let me know. So let's get into it. I'm so excited to be opening my boxes. It's been so long, guys. So this says Bali Balm. Good for the winter. Let's see what it says. Pineapple lip scrub. I love lip scrub. Bali Balm pineapple lip scrub. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. The super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. The MSRP for this item is $23. I love a good lip scrub. Bite Beauty has one that I really love. It's a sugar scrub. I want to smell it. Ooh, it smells so good. Just like pineapple. Smells good. I can't wait to try it. Is my voice still like weird? Because I know I already am nasally. It's probably making me more nasally. I'm trying to get back to normal. So the next thing I pick up is going to be Teami Detox Mask. Green Tea Blend. I haven't heard of that brand. T-E-A-M-I. Teami? Let's see what it says. It says Teami blends green tea detox mask. This mineral-rich mask will be a must-have in your self-care routine. Made with organic matcha green tea, lemongrass, and bentonite clay. This natural detoxifying mask is formulated to rid pores of impurities while replenishing the skin with necessary superfood nutrients. The MSRP for this item is $29.99. So it sounds like it has really good stuff in it, and I will try it. I can't wait to try it. It says cruelty-free, made in Florida. Dampen face slightly with water. Apply thin to medium layer on face and neck. Allow 10-15 minutes. Use 1 to 4 times weekly as needed. Best applied at night. So it looks like a really promising face mask. It has a lot of good ingredients. So I can't wait to try it. I'll show you when I try it. I might do a little video of it. The next thing I pick up is from Ace Beauty. Girl, I like me some Ace Beauty highlights. Let's see what it looks like. That's the packaging. Y'all gotta let me know if y'all received Boxycharm. Have y'all received any of the same items? Wow, this is a whole range of highlighters. That's gonna have all kinds of different tones, shimmers in there. I like that. I might use this icy one. This icy one right there. Or Poppin', no. Poppin's like pink. Icy is like just straight ice. That will look good with this little look I have going on right here. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna put some icy on me. Oh yeah, that looks good. Ooh, you can see it now. I wouldn't normally wear that, but since I got my little Mardi Gras, we're going to a parade tonight. That looks pretty. Bling, 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 bling. Alright, enough rambling, right? Let's see. Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. It's gonna say the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. The MSRP for this item is $40. $40, which is a good price for all those highlighters. You get 6 highlighters. Woo! I think my favorite would be probably like every day would be like in between these two. So like glowing and gleaming, just because that's like a normal natural highlighter that I would wear. But definitely would get use out of them for different looks. Let's see, the next item I picked up is going to be another palette. It's a Wanda Beauty Wanderlust Escape. The packaging is so pretty. I can't wait for spring, y'all. Oh, I can't wait for spring. Let's see what we got. That is so pretty. I wish I was right there on that mountain. Take me away. Let's look at what it looks like. Oh, and a lot of browns. Couple shimmers in there. That's pretty blue. Nice brown tones. Very warm. Let's see what it says. Wanda Beauty is a little hit and miss for me for their eyeshadows. I'm kind of picky, but they have really good eyeshadows. They're just a hit and miss for me. Let's see what it says. It says Wanda Beauty Wanderlust Escape Eyeshadow Palette featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rosehip seed oil to help soothe out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes that are crease proof for all day wear. So that's some big claims they making, right? That's some big claims. If it's got all that in there though, I'm interested to try it. It is, the MSRP for this item is $42. Oh, I also have 2 big giveaways I have coming up. I got everything sorted out, so be on the lookout for those also. I want y'all, someone to win and get some good goodies. So the next and last item I pick up is going to be Hydra Setting Spray from Illumask. I hope I'm saying that right. We normally get this brand in Boxycharm boxes. Let's see. It says Hydra Setting Spray. Hydra Setting Spray is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless, dewy finish. This non-sticky formula dries fast to set your makeup all day. Infused with pea peptides rich in amino acids, Hydra Setting Spray will leave the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. The MSRP for this item is $26. Let's see what the bottle looks like. If it's glass, if it's plastic. How's the pump? So it's sleek, all black. See what the mist looks like. Ooh, it's a strong, but it's fine. I'm scared. Ah! That was just too much. It shoots out way too fast. I mean, that's like freaking blowing you away. Ah! I don't like the mister. It might be a good spray, but I don't like the mister. No, I don't like the mister. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's add this bad boy up and see what we get. Alright, we got the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette, which was $40. Then we got the Teamy Blends Green Tea Detox Mask, was a $29.99. And then we got the Wanda Beauty Wanderlust Escape Eyeshadow Palette, which was $42. And then Illumask Hydra Setting Spray, which is $26. I can tell you I don't like it already. And then the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub, which is $23. The total of MSRP for my box was $160.99. So what do y'all think, guys? I like it. I like the highlighter palette. I can't wait to try the lip scrub, the eyeshadow palette. I think they might be reformulated that eyeshadow. I will have to check on that. If y'all know, let me know. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. And I will be doing my Ipsy video next. So I'll be wearing the same outfit because I didn't have time this month and I got to get it over with. So don't come at me for that. Don't come at me. I know you're not going to come at me. Who cares? Who cares, right? Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know what y'all got, if you received anything. Until next time, stay blessed.